My name is NOUR Al-SHAKHOURI. I'm the CEO of Najim Systems, and we are deister electronic partner for the Middle East. We started our partnership 1 year back, and we are penetrating the market of different segments, especially with the vertical applications. Deister is a very innovative company in the RFID field, and we can already see the value of having multiple applications of RFID from a single platform, especially with a lot of flexibility in terms of the integration, in terms of the different segments like hospitality, healthcare, industrial, especially with the new product that is being released now today. We are happy to introduce, along with the deister electronic, the new digital save. Basically, this is coming for projects along with the remote sites and utility areas. So where we have a lot of the customer, normally they have problems with their subcontractors for the remote areas. Deister is introducing a new digital safe box for the key management. And then we can have different keys for the different application, like electrical or mechanical or telecom. And that can be managed by the client from Deister Cloud. So basically, the client can send the authorization key to the subcontractor through mobile phone or Deister wallet. And from Deister wallet, we can provide the authentication for the person, how long it's been authenticated or allowed to use that key. And then we can have acknowledgement or report when he's done with the work. So basically, the communication, this box doesn't need any communication or power. It's battery powered, and the communication is done between the mobile phone and the box through Bluetooth technology. In the show, it shows people are very excited about the industrial application, and also some visitors are coming with the new ideas where they need deister R&D help to make new products or new implementations for the different products.